Hi, I'm Steve Chubin at Steve's Sewing and Vacuum Center in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and today we're here to discuss how to buy a vacuum cleaner. Today we're going to talk about when you walk into a vacuum store, which I would prefer that you would walk into, you would want to think about what your needs are for your home. Would you need a vacuum cleaner for carpets, for hardwood floors, or for both? In needing a vacuum for carpets, hardwood floors, or hard surfaces, what I would recommend and what most people would like to use is some sort of a canister vacuum cleaner. In a canister vacuum cleaner like you would have here, these vacuum cleaners easily transfer from carpets to hard surface cleaning. A canister meaning it's a two-piece vacuum. One, the main unit is in here, and the other is your brush roll, or you would use this for your hard surfaces. The canisters easily transfer from surface to surface due to the fact that in the power nozzle head that you'd have here, you have a brush that can be turned on and off. When you would turn the brush off, that would be for hard surfaces, on for carpeted surfaces.